Okay, first off, that's from Manny. What do you say?
Thanks you, Manny.
I told him not to get you anything. He still got you something. Check it out. What is it? Oh, that's cool. Bingo.
Is it ear?
What is it?
It's a towel.
It's an Ariel towel.
The towel. That's the first one. Okay.
Poopsies! Yes, this is what I wished for.
You wished for a poopsie. T-Rex. Oh.
LOL.
That's cool.
It's a human LOL.
It's a human LOL. Okay, what do you say again?
Thanks you, Manny, for the gift. It's my birthday. Even some of my mom's friends gave me a little bit present. And I have a poopsie.
Magic spoon. Hold on a second. So we have the water. We started with the water, and it says the next step is to fill with the water and then add 5 drops of the magic smell to this. Does that smell good?
I just got the spoon.
Yeah, I have to figure out how to open this. First off.
Want me to help you?
No, I got it. So we have 5 drops. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and
5.
just like how old you are.
Today I'm 5 on my birthday. For real, no joke, on my birthday.
Then we have this unicorn food that we have to open, and
Can I open it?
it's really hard to open. I don't know if we can try to open it. Okay, be careful.
And I am gonna stir. I stir really good, so I stir.
Well, it says tight. Well, we're not gonna stir it. It says to tightly replace the lid and rapidly shake the bottle for a minute and let it sit for 10 minutes. Let the slime harden.
And then I mix it. Then why do we need the spoon?
That's for later. Okay, so then put the top on it. And shake it. I hope this is a good seal. This is terrible.
Okay, nothing in there. After I go put the bottle on. Actually, no.
Well, we need that for after.
What's that?
That's the unicorn magic.
What do you want to do? She's talking to you. Hey, Carmen.
Yes.
Can your family, my family and your family?
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit. We have to let it sit for 10 minutes, okay? We'll be back.
We'll call you later.
So, this is our entry-level unicorn slime. Try to see if it's gotten hard. What do you think? Do you think it's ready? open up the packet of the unicorn magic. And this is going to go in Mommy's hands.
This is so funny, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
We do that.
and after this one movie, we're going to stop.
There's just a little bit that's going to go in my hand. And you're going to pour a little bit in the middle. A little bit at a time. Well, in the middle. Make sure it's in the, Morgan, make sure it's in the middle. I'll hold it. And then some more. Oh, stuff is awful. I'm going to do that, Danny. Some more. Do some more. Yeah, I know. Do some more. So we can obviously make a complete mess of everything. It's going to change into its finest color. Oh, do you smell it? It smells like unicorn food.
It smells good, but I still have love for you. But
Alright, pour more in.
how was that, William?
This is awful.
It's going to turn sparkly, but when you use the unicorn power, it will work. Okay?
Alright, so is that all of the, oh look, it's changing color. What color is that? Yellow?
I just want to see.
It's kind of yellow, huh?
Oh, yes. We got double yellow.
Double yellow. Alright, so let's do a little more of the unicorn powder. We're gonna get the towel for you.
I feel like it's striking. After this red movie, we're going to have another toy. Now, see, guys?
No, well, after that red movie, but let's finish this one.
And then we are going to do a different red movie for different kids.
It's on the dog.
What?
It got on the dog.
Honey Badger?
It got on everybody.
Sorry, Honey Badger. Can I take it? Oh my God, it's so cute.
It's so weird. Okay. Yay, it's all over my hands.
It's on my hand.
Ooh, it's like green. Alright, so let's add a little bit more of the snow. You have this little snow here.
Put it in here.
We'll just go from the mix.
When you're done, put it in here.
Smells like candy. Like lots of candy.
Lots of candy? No way.
And we can put it away in the jar. It goes in our Pepsi. Yeah, look at that perfect Pepsi. Okay, what do we say again?
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thanks, you.
We have a pie.
Another one.
Do you know what shapes it? And my birthday?
It's birthday. It's your birthday. You're gonna party like it's your birthday.
And you know what? We're going something special for my birthday. You know what it is, guys?
What is it?
Jack and James.
hate her. She's popping it off.
Okay.
Super cute.
Look at this squishy one.
Witchy Pepe.
Look at what squishy.
She has a mummy dress. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. And then these little curlers here. Oh, awesome. Those are cool. And they come with a comb inside. Oh, show them the comb.
Guys, you want to see the comb? La 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 la.
And let's see what's in the other curler. Yay. Oh, a coffee cup.
A coffee cup. And I'm going. I know how to
Let
open
me show people.
Oh.
Hey, Dada.
It's already
We're in the
open.
middle of a red movie.
It's already open.
It is already open. Cool. Alright. It looks like we got some tiny boots. And then, oh look at that outfit. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's got little stars. I love it. And then, last but not least,
It's a hat.
boom. Awesome.
She is so black today. Even little. Even orange. Even white.
She is black, orange, and white, yes. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching.
No, guys, do not